Welcome to Kim Beautyverse. Spring is in full bloom and I'm super excited to share my fresh spring makeup look with you all, featuring soft pastels and a natural glow. It's both budget and beginner friendly, so stay tuned for more exciting moments ahead. First, I'm applying the Centella sunscreen. It's moisturizing and acts as a perfect primer. It gives my skin a hydrated base before the BB cream. Next, I'm applying my OT BB cream. It provides a natural luminous finish. I'm gonna spread it with my fingers. It evens out my skin tone while feeling lightweight. For the eyes, I'm going with a soft pink pencil liner, creating a delicate pop of color that's perfect for spring. Just a simple line alongside my upper lash line. Then to bring a rosy freshness to my cheeks, I'm using this peachy blush. Then I add some bronzer to create that sun-kissed glow. A soft touch of highlighter on my cheekbones, nose, and Cupid's bow for a sunlight glow. Then a few coats of mascara to make my eyes truly pop. And then a short eyeliner. Using the same bronzer, I'm filling my brows. Then creating hair-like strokes for my eyebrows. Then adding extra lashes for more beautiful eyes. And then a pink lip liner. A soft pink lipstick gives my lips a creamy, hydrating pop of color and shine. And that's my spring makeup look. Fresh and glowy. And it's also super easy to achieve with affordable products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!